global warming is increasing, and studies say that at least 20 to 30% of the global warming is because of the air pollution that is being produced from the vehicle emissions. So then later on I figured out that when I did my own research, I got to know that biodiesel can be a solution for all these problems. So through my product biodiesel, the air pollution is reduced, climate change can be controlled, and also like currently we see that in Indian economy is mostly dependent on outside sources for crude oil, and that can be significantly reduced. This is actually make in India.
How long you started this one, Pooja?
This has been 1.5 2 years now.
What is the big investment which you would be doing with this additional 4 lakhs?
So one, it includes operational cost also. One is raw materials, the traveling expenses,
Okay.
and the two major sources are the space, rent space that we want, and first one is the mission.